Welcome back to another tutorial, this time on how to delete your search history from within the Instagram app itself. So what we're going to do is obviously open up Instagram. Here's an account. To access your search history, just tap on the search button, which is the magnifying glass at the bottom left of the screen. You can see there the recent towards the bottom of the screen, recent clever tools hashtag. That's one that I've recently carried out myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that now and just re-type it in so that you can see the process as if you were typing in your own hashtag. So I'm going to type in clever tools and then hit enter. And I'm just going to go on to the actual hashtag itself. Now if I go back into my search history, you can see at the bottom there it's reappeared. Okay, so you're going to have several different search terms in that long list, and you're going to want to clear those. So we go to your account page, we tap on the three lines at the top of the screen, and then we head down to settings. Tap that, and then we're looking for privacy and security. Again, tap that. Now towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see clear search history. Just hit that. That's going to open up a new window with a blue button, clear search history. Tap that again. Are you sure? Yes, I am. So go ahead and press that. That's now going to completely remove all of your search history in one go. So if we go back now, you'll see that there's nothing there. It's completely gone. It's a very, very easy process to do. Once you got in the hang of things, it take you 3-4 seconds to do. That's it. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and obviously like the video. We look forward to seeing you again.